Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download high accuracy 12.5 meter dam from NASA using a lost pulsar dataset. We will search the website, which is search.asf.alaska.edu. First, create a profile on this website. I have already done this. The second step is go to the dataset of different satellites. This is the dataset of different satellites in which Sentinel-1, NISAR, but we need the ALOS pulsar data because we know its accuracy is 12.5 meter. Step is to search your area of interest. I will zoom my area of interest. For example, I select this area, search the available dam for this tile. So I will pick the maximum coverage of the area of interest. Style cover our maximum area. Check its resolution. This is a high resolution terrain corrected dam. So I will download this tile. See here, this file is downloading. I have already downloaded another dam. In this way you can download the high resolution dam. I want to see the after downloading you can see its KMG, its JPG file. Also you can see here the dam.tif file. This file you will transfer in your GIS software and create a dam. Thank you. Bye bye.